Well, I needed that rest after day 20. It was a long day, but what a day it was. I gave Klaus a good check over last night due to the off-road sections yesterday, and everything seemed to be in good shape. So this morning I've had a very tasty Moroccan breakfast. Klaus is all fueled up. This is Spinning Wheels, and I'll see you after the intro. Here we go then, it's day 21 of my 6-week solo motorcycle tour of Morocco. As always, I'm on board Klaus, my trusty 2011 BMW 1200 GS Adventure. Today we are leaving Imilchil and heading for Ouzoud. As always, I'm using the Morocco Overland book by Chris Scott and the Michelin paper maps to plan this route. Well, I keep saying that I can't believe the scenery or routes can get any better, and every day they do. So let's see what day 21 has in store. If you are new to Spinning Wheels and would like to enjoy the Moroccan adventure from the very beginning, click on the link above or in the description below. Right, it's time to push on. Well, I am so glad I took my GoPro 360 on this trip, as watching this back I can see what I missed the first time round. Yes, and I know I keep saying this, but what a fantastic view. Morocco just keeps on giving. Now, I've said this before earlier on in the tour, some of the lorries are very old and they climb uphill very slowly. So you have to be careful, as you can see them way in the distance, and before you know it, you're right on top of them. As an ex-lorry driver, I do try and give the boys a wave or a beep of the horn, as it's a hard job anyway, and I bet it's even harder, especially in these environments and in these old lorries. A perfect Bob Ross moment. I had to show a clip of this very happy local, just brilliant. Well, I think you know what's coming next, and yes, you're absolutely right, there may be a few parts to this day. The scenery really has been stunning, and I look forward to showing you more in day 21 part 2. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and I look forward to seeing you all again on Spinning Wheels. And as always, remember, every ride is an adventure.